Well, I got the first vape box with the new design done. The screen never shows up on camera very good, but there's my new bike. So yeah, you can put as many pictures as you want on it. And it works like a vape box, just any vape box. It goes up to about 49 watts. And you just display your pictures as background. I don't know if you can see that, but that's a picture of this circuit board being displayed by this circuit board. So it's like an inception moment. So yeah, here, let me take this off of here. So this is the first one with the new design with the bigger. It uses one big microcontroller instead of two microcontrollers working together, which there wasn't enough memory space to do anything more. It took up absolutely all of it. And I just use hot glue to put it together so it can easily be taken apart. But you see those pinhole headers right there. Right there. You can hook to this with a TTL to USB converter, and you can reprogram it without taking it apart. I'm going to market it to people who are hobbyists and stuff, and they can reprogram their own, add different pages, and like I think I only use like 20% of the program memory with it. So yeah, you can reprogram it and stuff. That's going to be a main selling point. But I use hot glue just so it comes apart easy and put together easy. Because this one I had to take it apart a couple times. Worked out all the bugs. I finished rewriting the code. Had several problems there with my rewritten code that I had to work out. And I did have a problem with the circuit board design. I messed up a couple little spots I had to work around. So I've got I got all these professionally made circuit boards. I got a whole bunch of them. I'm just going to start kicking these out now that I got things figured out and all the bugs worked out. Because this one used two microcontrollers working together, and this uses the one big one. So I had to rewrite everything for it. And if you look, I got 4 battery boxes printed. I got a couple boxes. I need to just start 3D printing all that crap, and I pretty much got all the components I need. Got a bunch more screens coming from China, and then I'm just going to start kicking them out. Now with this custom, without having to make the circuit board, it's really easy to do. So, yeah, this is the first one. I guess I'm going to keep for myself, but it works great. Only one little problem is it refreshes the screen kind of slow using this microcontroller compared to the other way, but there's no way around that I can find so far. These are some of the old designs. Just my old homemade circuit board. Compare a freshly made one to my homemade ones. They look pretty rough compared to it. But this is the one. This one had a little bigger screen, but there was no way to turn this screen off and on. So I got to use the little ones to be able to control the backlighting. So it goes off like that and saves battery life. Yeah, you just program them right up with the same thing that everybody uses. So be pretty neat. And then I use my programmer here that I made to program the microcontroller that goes on to, it gets soldered onto this spot right here, the square. But I can put it in here and program it first and then just solder it on. So yeah, I'm going to start kicking them out and selling them. That's it.